We've been sold the same old dream for decades. Go big or go home. Flashy launches, overnight millions, viral fame.
We weren't listening.
Oh, okay.
Let it go.
But here's the truth they don't tell you. The real revolution in wealth. It's whispering, not shouting. Welcome to the rise of the microtransaction millionaire. The quiet builder stacking small wins with surgical precision. No loud flexing, no desperate chasing. Just smart systems, deep value, and laser-focused intent. This is the age of quiet compounding, where a $7 ebook, a $10 subscription, or a $3 upsell doesn't seem like much, until it's multiplied by thousands. It's not about going wide, it's about going deep. Not about mass appeal, but niche resonance. The world is shifting. Attention spans are short, trust is rare, and convenience is king. That's why the path to modern wealth isn't paved with high-risk plays. It's carved, drop by drop, in the everyday decisions to serve better, sell smarter, and scale silently. This isn't hustle culture, it's craftsmanship. And you're not here to chase crumbs, you're here to build the bakery. So if you're tired of boom and bust cycles, if you crave sustainable freedom and want to create a real business with soul, systems, and scale, then keep reading. Because what follows is a blueprint, a playbook, a movement. The tide has already started whispering. The question is, will you listen? The microtransaction millionaire isn't chasing everyone. They're sniping with precision. Instead of being a generalist with a vague pitch, they zoom in on underserved niches like a laser beam. These aren't just smaller markets, they're gold mines of unmet needs. Whether it's a course for left-handed guitarists or breed-specific dog care, domination happens when you become the go-to in a tight, specific space. And the stats don't lie. Businesses that niche down succeed up to 4 times more often than those chasing the masses. The mantra? The riches are in the niches. It's not about reaching everyone, it's about resonating deeply with the few who really need you. From there, it's all about crafting an irresistible offer that speaks directly to your tribe's pain or passion. A great value proposition doesn't just list features. It solves a real problem and makes customers feel like they're winning big, even on a small purchase. Whether it's Grammarly easing your grammar anxiety or Starbucks selling you a daily ritual, it's the experience wrapped around the product that drives repeat micro sales. People don't just buy what you do, they buy why you do it. The perceived gain far outweighs the price, especially when you tap into emotion, ease, or identity. Then comes the magic, automation, and trust. Scaling isn't about grinding harder, it's about building systems that work while you sleep. Think Shopify stores fulfilling orders 24/7, email sequences nurturing leads automatically, or chatbots answering questions in real time. This engine of small, consistent wins only works when wrapped in trust. Trust is the currency of the digital age. The silent sales rep that keeps customers coming back. Trust compounds faster than interest. And it's what transforms microtransactions into macro success. In the age of microtransactions, building a 6- or 7-figure empire isn't about going viral once. It's about dominating a niche consistently. Think of it like being a precision sniper instead of spraying bullets everywhere. When you find your small pond with big fish, a hyper-focused segment with unmet needs, you step into a market where your offer feels like a revelation, not just another product. Whether it's creating guitar lessons for left-handed players or subscription boxes for rare coin collectors, niching down means your product feels tailor-made, not mass-produced. Stats back it up too. Niche-focused businesses are 3 to 4 times more likely to thrive. And when your message resonates deeply, conversion rates can explode by up to 200%. But niche domination only works if you pair it with a killer value proposition. The kind that turns a $10 product into a $100 experience in the customer's mind. People don't just want stuff. They want solutions. And more importantly, they want to feel something. Why does Grammarly's free plan hook so many users? Because it solves a real annoying pain point. Why does Starbucks thrive on $6 coffee? Because they sell comfort, community, and a sense of ritual. When your value proposition hits that emotional nerve, even a small sale feels like a win. In today's landscape, offering real value isn't just good business, it's survival. To scale these micro-miracles, you need systems, not superheroes. Automation is the secret sauce that makes your hustle infinite. From Shopify stores that run while you sleep, to email sequences that build relationships on autopilot, the modern entrepreneur isn't working harder. They're working smarter. As Bill Gates once said, automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. And that's exactly how microtransactions turn into macro profits. But all of this, niche, precision, irresistible value, and automated scale, means nothing without trust. Trust is the glue that turns one-time buyers into lifelong fans. And in a world full of noise, consistency is how you cut through. Show up, deliver, exceed expectations, and suddenly you're not just a business, you're part of someone's daily life. That's the quiet superpower behind every overnight success. In today's digital economy, wealth creation is no longer confined to big-ticket products. It's about stacking small, strategic wins. Subscription models, for instance, have become the heartbeat of predictable income. Whether it's a razor blade or a media streaming service, the magic lies in recurring payments. With the global subscription e-commerce market projected to hit $904.2 billion by 2026 and customer retention rates nearing 70%, it's clear. Recurring revenue isn't just steady, it's sticky. This is the genius of micro-sales. Compounding value over time while building loyal customer relationships. Digital products take this to another level. From ebooks and online courses to stock photos and music licenses, the entry barrier is low and the margins sky high. Once created, a single product can be sold an infinite number of times with virtually zero cost per sale. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Shutterstock empower creators to earn from templates, beats, and lessons priced as low as $5. When multiplied across thousands of customers, these microtransactions become substantial revenue streams. It's not just about creating products, it's about creating systems where value flows endlessly. Then comes the silent power of affiliate marketing and partnerships. Rather than building everything from scratch, savvy entrepreneurs leverage other people's audiences. Add to that the upsell and cross-sell approach, offering thoughtful add-ons and enhancements post-purchase. And you've got a recipe for maximizing every customer relationship. It's not just about moving product, it's about understanding, elevating, and continually serving your customer's journey. Success isn't born from sudden explosions of greatness. It's carved slowly, with quiet grit and unshakable belief. In the world of microsales and small-scale entrepreneurship, patience and persistence are the silent powerhouses. Whether you're a YouTuber uploading to a dozen views or a digital seller counting single-digit downloads, progress often feels like a crawl. But here's the truth. The crawl compounds. The data backs this up. Founders who push through early failure are 2.5 times more likely to succeed. Celebrating small wins isn't just feel-good fluff. It's essential. Harvard studies show that recognizing progress keeps burnout at bay. Each sale, each subscriber, each review, these are the bricks of your empire. Momentum doesn't come from perfection. It comes from iteration. The most successful brands and creators don't get everything right from the start. They launch, learn, adapt. Netflix moved from DVDs to global streaming dominance by obsessing over user data and feedback. Entrepreneurs who embrace this cycle, test, tweak, evolve, outperform their competition. According to research, data-driven companies are up to 6 times more likely to hit their targets. But behind all this hustle lies a deeper belief, the abundance mentality. It's the idea that giving, collaborating and focusing on opportunity rather than scarcity creates exponential impact. Generosity isn't a cost, it's a catalyst. Entrepreneurs who mentor, creators who share free value, or companies with strong social missions like Tom's or open source software communities, all tap into this energy. Oprah nailed it. What you focus on expands. When you believe that small beginnings can bloom into massive outcomes and you uplift others along the way, you unlock the kind of momentum that compounds beyond your own business. In the end, building success through small sales isn't just a tactic, it's a philosophy. It demands the long view, where persistence outpaces flash, where constant evolution is your edge, and where giving more leads to receiving more. Whether you're on sale, number 3 or 3,000, remember, every great fortune started small and stayed grounded in mindset, momentum, and meaning. In the world of wealth building, we often chase after big wins, massive paydays, viral moments, or million-dollar launches. But the truth is, financial success is more often a quiet accumulation than a sudden eruption. One small sale might seem like just a ripple, insignificant on its own. But 1,000 ripples become a wave, and 1,000,000, a tide that reshapes everything. Just like a mighty river begins as countless drops of water, your journey toward financial freedom starts with consistent, small wins that gather power over time. This approach offers something far more valuable than flashy success. It offers freedom. Say goodbye to the exhausting feast or famine cycle that plagues so many creatives, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Instead, imagine waking up to predictable income, not just from one lucky break, but from a system built through steady, intentional effort. This is the foundation for true sustainability, where every sale, no matter how small, contributes to a larger vision that supports your dreams long-term. And here's the most important part. Your journey starts now. Don't wait for perfect timing or massive resources. Identify your niche, start with that first product, that first offer, your first drop. The river is already flowing around you, filled with opportunity. All you have to do is step in, channel it, and let the deluge begin.